Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping method on Mercari. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your own shipping method. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Mercari. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Selling. Now go ahead and click on Edit next to the item which you want to change the shipping method for. So we'll take this item here for example. Scroll down, click on Shipping Method where it says Ship on Your Own. And this is technically where you can actually change your shipping method. So you could actually receive a prepaid label or you can ship on your own. And so with that, if you do a prepaid label, just click on Edit next to Get Your Shipping Rate. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your shipping method on Mercari. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.